What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. Now today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your phone look like the OnePlus 7T Pro. Yes, this is actually the OnePlus 7 Pro, not the 7T Pro. Probably couldn't tell from the screen, but if you look at the back, there isn't that extra sensor for laser autofocus. But anyway, let's dive right in, and I'm going to show you how you can make your phone look like the OnePlus 7T Pro. So first things first, we're going to go to androidsage.com. And we're going to scroll down. And I'll leave a link in the description down below. Right here where it says the download OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition, stock and live wallpapers in 4K resolution. Once we click on that, I'm going to scroll down, and here are the 7T Pro stock wallpapers. And here are some more, and then obviously there's the McLaren, and then McLaren Live Wall Edition wallpapers. I'm not even going to go for those. I'm just going to go for your wallpaper here. So you click on that, download that image, and let's also choose this one. Let's download that as well. And then once we have that, we are going to click on it, open with gallery, set as OnePlus launcher, set wallpaper. There we go. So there is that. And then if you also want to change it again, go back, set wallpaper. There's that. Set the lock screen as well. So you got the wallpaper all set. Now we're going to download the icon pack. Now if you notice, the camera icon is the main thing that you'll notice on the 7T and the 7T Pro. It's different. It's a circular icon. Now we're going to go to APK mirror. And like I said, I'll leave the links in the description down below. But once we go there, we are going to download the icon pack where it says OnePlus icon pack round. So we're going to scroll down. And we're going to download that one. Scroll down, download APK. There we go. We're going to press open, install, done. Now what we do is we hold home settings, icon pack, and then we're going to choose the one where it changes the camera icon. Not the camera icon, my bad, the phone icon to round. So this is what we had before, this is what we get, and this is OnePlus's stock round. So if you get the OnePlus 7 Pro, then you would have that. And I also do have the McLaren edition as well. I will leave that in the description as well below, but I don't really like that, so I'm gonna go with this one. Now what we do is we hold on the camera icon, press edit, and then we go to OnePlus. Usually it's the middle one, and then right here, similar matches. We're gonna press on that, and there we go. There is your OnePlus device looking like the OnePlus 7T, OnePlus 7T Pro. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below really on anything if you did enjoy this video, if you have a OnePlus 7 or if you're going to pick up the 7T or 7T Pro, and what types of videos you'd like to see based on OnePlus and on the Google Pixel 4 camera APK. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.